battery life.
Xperia XZ2
Acceptable
compact
S
display is
supports
another
fast
aspect
charging.
changed for this year, but there's
It
no
has an
fast
18 to
charger
9
in the
aspect
box.
screen,
Leave the
leaving
smaller
smaller
screen less borders at
XZ2
its
compact
top
has a
and bottom.
2.87
It is also a much
battery,
higher spec
just a
display
little
than
larger
the
than the
XZ1
700
cell. That phone has a 720p resolution. It sounds like
This
a
is a
fairly
wide
big
Full
battery
HD
for a
screen
phone this small,
with a resolution
it
of
doesn't hold up
1008
that well in
by
our standard video
2160,
though.
It has
Very
very
sharp,
90-minute
with
video at max 483
see how much the battery
drains.
The Sony
Xperia
XZ2 compact also has the spec 26%
of the larger.
This is a lot worse than the 17% lost by the
HDR
XZ1
and
compact.
Sony SX Reality
This
engine
phone's higher
upscale
resolution
standard
dynamic
seems
seems
to
to
be quite the
content
power
to
sucker.
HDR2.
Day-to-day
Sure
use
enough,
provides
the
better
screen has
results.
extremely vibrant
We found
color,
it fairly
excellent
easy to
maximum
get through the day
brightness
without
and
great
charge running out
contrast
before
for an
LCD.
LCD.
Although
By
when
11
tilted there
p.m.
is some
it tends to have
visible
a rain
around
of
15% battery
If
left.
you find the
Following the
plenty
plenty
of
of
what's
what's
happened
a few
or
hours or
not
not
vivid
vivid
enough,
streaming
you can change
through
it
the
too.
day. The standard
Despite
mode
the
is a
fairly
great
good
balance
battery
of saturation
capacity
and accuracy. The Sony Xperia XZ2 compact also has a relaxed last many RGB mode and a super vivid one.
It's in every
day
dripping
charger.
color.
While the
Such
phone
tech
does seem
supports
wasted
fast
on
charging,
such a small display,
you don't get a
though.
fast charger
Watching
in the box.
Netflix or a long
It's a
YouTube
standard
video is
5
going
volt
to be more fun on a
1.58
quality
plug,
6-inch
which
screen
isn't
fast
fast
by
by
any
any
standard.
one like this.
Considering the
Especially
relatively
at
high
standard
price,
16 to
this is
9
disappointing.
content leaves the extreme
There's
left
also
and
no
right
parts of
wireless
the
charging
screen
unused.
The Sony
Effectively
Xperia
reverting to a
XZ2
4.5-inch display
but this phone
size.
does not. Let us get real. All the tech in the world can make the Sony Xperia XZ2 compact test small screen seem like a mini cinema. But, to be fair to Sony, it has the best 18 to 9 screen around at this size.